Welcome to Progressive Wellness Group. What if the pain in your feet, the ache in your knees, the weight you've been carrying, and the golf game you've been losing were all connected? What if one advanced integrated approach could address all of them at once? That is exactly what we do here. And in the next few minutes, we're going to show you how. Most healthcare systems treat conditions in isolation. You see one doctor for your nerve pain, another for your knee, another for your weight. But here's what they're missing. These conditions share the same root. Chronic inflammation, metabolic dysfunction, and oxidative stress are the common threads that connect nerve damage, joint degeneration, excess weight, and reduced physical performance. Treating one branch while ignoring the root is why so many people never fully recover. At Progressive Wellness Group, we treat the whole tree. Chronic inflammation is not just discomfort, it is a biological process that silently destroys your body from the inside. Inflammatory proteins called TNF-alpha and interleukin-6 directly attack the protective myelin sheath around your nerves. Those same inflammatory cytokines accelerate the breakdown of joint cartilage, and your own fat tissue secretes pro-inflammatory compounds called adipokines that feed this destructive cycle. The research is clear. Reducing systemic inflammation improves nerve health, joint health, body composition, and physical performance simultaneously. Here is a connection that most patients have never been told about. Excess body weight is an independent driver of peripheral neuropathy. Research published in the Annals of Neurology found that every single unit increase in body mass index increases your risk of neuropathy by 13%. The mechanism is called lipotoxicity. Excess fat deposits directly damage small nerve fibers. The remarkable finding is this: intentional weight loss produces measurable nerve improvement. Weight management is not just about appearance, it is neurological medicine. The connection between weight and joint health is equally powerful. For every single pound of body weight, your knee joint absorbs 4 pounds of force with every step. That means carrying just 20 extra pounds places 80 additional pounds of pressure on your knees, thousands of times per day. Obesity increases the risk of osteoarthritis by 4 to 5 times. But here is the empowering truth. Losing just 10 pounds removes 40 pounds of pressure from your knees with every single step. Weight management is the single most impactful thing you can do for your joint health. Whether you are walking to the mailbox or driving a golf ball 300 yards, healthy joints are the absolute foundation of every movement you make. Joint restriction in the hips, knees, and ankles directly limits what biomechanists call the kinematic sequence, the precise chain of body rotation that generates power and protects you from injury. When your joints are stiff or painful, your body compensates with faulty movement patterns. These compensations create new injuries and rob you of performance. Restoring joint health does not just reduce pain, it unlocks your full movement potential. Your peripheral nerves do far more than carry pain signals. They are the communication network that controls your proprioception, your body's ability to sense its own position in space. Research confirms that peripheral neuropathy significantly impairs balance and coordination. For athletes and active adults, this means compensatory movement patterns, increased injury risk, and reduced performance. Restoring nerve health has been shown to improve balance by up to 40%. Better nerves mean better movement, better coordination, and better performance in everything you do. This is where Progressive Wellness Group is truly different. We have built 4 advanced specialized programs that work together as one powerful integrated ecosystem: the Progressive Neuropathy Program, the Progressive Joint Mobility Program, the Progressive Weight and Wellness Program, and the Progressive Golf Performance Program. Each program is exceptional on its own, but together they create a synergistic effect that no single program can achieve in isolation. When you reduce weight, your nerves and joints heal faster. When your joints move freely, your performance improves. When your nerves function properly, every movement becomes more powerful and precise. This is the ecosystem approach. The Progressive Neuropathy Program combines the most advanced regenerative technologies available. Class 4 laser therapy triggers cellular repair by stimulating ATP production inside damaged nerve cells. StemWave, focused acoustic therapy, recruits your body's own stem cells to the site of nerve damage. Pulsed electromagnetic field therapy restores the electrical conductivity of nerve tissue. Vibration therapy reactivates proprioceptive pathways. And a targeted nutritional protocol provides the raw materials your nerves need to rebuild their protective myelin sheath. This is not symptom management, this is nerve regeneration. The Progressive Joint Mobility Program uses StemWave-focused acoustic wave therapy to address joint degeneration at the cellular level. A 2020 systematic review in Biomed Research International confirmed that StemWave outperforms corticosteroid injections, hyaluronic acid, and oral medications for both pain relief and functional improvement. The therapy is chondroprotective, meaning it actively defends and rebuilds cartilage rather than simply masking pain. It stimulates new blood vessel growth, reduces cellular aging, and produces a 90% or greater patient improvement rate. This is joint regeneration, not just joint management. The Progressive Weight and Wellness Program uses the Zerona Z6, the world's most clinically studied, FDA-cleared low-level laser for non-invasive body contouring. Clinical trials demonstrate an average loss of 3.6 to 3.9 inches in the first few weeks of treatment, without surgery, without pain, and without downtime. But the benefits extend far beyond aesthetics. Every pound of fat loss reduces inflammatory cytokines throughout your body, relieves pressure on your joints, and improves nerve health. The Weight and Wellness Program is the amplifier that makes every other program in our ecosystem more effective. The Progressive Golf Performance Program is delivered by a doctor of physical therapy holding 4 Titleist Performance Institute certifications: Level 1 Assessment, Medical Level 2, Power Level 2, and Juniors Level 2. This is the same methodology used by the world's top touring professionals. The program begins with a comprehensive TPI body screen to identify every physical limitation affecting your swing. Then, through targeted mobility restoration and golf-specific strength training, we rebuild your kinematic sequence from the ground up. The result? More distance, better consistency, and a body that performs pain-free for decades to come. Every program at Progressive Wellness Group is grounded in peer-reviewed science. The Annals of Neurology documents the direct link between BMI and neuropathy risk. Biomed Research International confirms StemWave's superiority over conventional joint treatments. The Osteoarthritis Research Society International validates the chondroprotective effects of acoustic wave therapy. Multiple clinical trials support the Zerona Z6 efficacy for body contouring and inch loss. And the Titleist Performance Institute's methodology is backed by decades of research and used by the world's elite golfers. We do not guess, we do not experiment, we apply what the science has already proven. Your journey at Progressive Wellness Group begins with a comprehensive assessment. We evaluate your nerve health, joint function, body composition, and movement quality. From there, we build a personalized, sequenced program that addresses your unique needs. Whether you begin with neuropathy care, joint regeneration, weight reduction, or golf performance, each step of your journey builds upon the last. Our expert team guides you every step of the way, tracking your progress and adjusting your program as you improve. This is not a one-size-fits-all approach. This is precision wellness designed for you. You deserve to live without pain. You deserve to move freely, feel strong, and enjoy every moment of your life. At Progressive Wellness Group, we have built the most comprehensive, science-backed wellness ecosystem available because we believe that true health is not the absence of disease. It is the presence of vitality, movement, and purpose. We are here and we are ready to help you progress. Progress you can feel. We look forward to meeting you.